Hi students, good morning to all of you and welcome to online classes. Let's come student, we have to discussing about remaining exercise part questions in the page number 155. You have to just open and look the properly. Look the reading. For which of the following activities do you need the cleanest water? So here they are given 6 activities. Out of 6 activities, do you need cleanest water for which activity? You have to identify. Okay, for washing clothes, whether you have to need cleanest water or dirty water, must and should be cleanest water. Okay, and bathing, must and should be as also cleanest water. Mopping floor, okay, it's not need to cleanest water. This one, drinking is also cleaner. We need cleanest water. Watering plants, yes, sometimes it is also correct, but okay, this is also have to need the cleanest water. If you, for example, if you have to give the plants, watering plants to the dirty water, what happen? The plants does not grow properly. Okay, that's the reason it's also need the cleanest water. And washing utensils must and should be also need cleanest water. So out of 6 activities, 5 activities we need the cleanest water. Mopping floor is only not need cleanest water. Okay, I hope you are understood me on this one. So next one, look at the picture. Here on picture is the student. There below, in what way is the water getting polluted? Mention any 3 way. So in this looking the picture, some animals are there, peoples are there, they are doing some activities. Okay, in this picture, whether what way the water is getting polluted here, you have to observe, look properly and tell that any 3 ways. Look there, first of all, here some children are there bathing, and animals are drinking waters, and some peoples are there washing their animals in the middle of water, and some humans are there take the water for the purpose of drinking, and here washing the clothes in the bank of the water rivers. Okay, so these are all activities also going on. And here also, no student, some dirty like waste solids also there throwing in the this rivers. Okay, so based on this all the activity, we have to tell that 3 activity. Washing the clothes on the blanks, it is also not it is also possible to water get polluted. Yes, no, if washing the clothes in the river, it is also possible to water get polluted. And bathing the animals in the middle of the water, that is also possible. The water get polluted. And dirty animals entering the waters and used for drinking, that is also very poor. And here also waste things are throwing into the rivers, that is also the way to water get polluted. Many ways there, but they are asking only 3 ways. You have to mention 3 ways. Look there. Okay, next one, name the 3 waterborne diseases caused by drinking polluted water. So waterborne disease means which disease? You know that meaning of what disease? Disease means what's that? Sick. If your disease happened to me, I became sick, I'm not feeling well, so that's the reason that is called disease. So waterborne disease means which diseases come from the water, no, those are called waterborne diseases. And here they are telling the 3 waterborne diseases caused by drinking polluted water. So just you have to think that have you listened the word, one of the diseases is the typhoid, and jaundice is there, and hepatitis is there. So these 3 are big diseases come from drinking polluted water. So typhoid, you already know that. Have you seen that which peoples have to typhoid is there, that people becomes very sick and not feeling well, and fever is always there, and is always not eating properly. There are many symptoms are there in this one typhoid. And jaundice also there, same like, but in the jaundice special symptoms is there, their eyes has converted into yellows, eyes color. Jaundice, when the jaundice affect to the person, first of all, it's the symptoms is their eyes have look like a yellow color. hepatitis, it's became body became banned, and it's very big disease. These are all threes comes from the drinking polluted water. Okay, I hope you are understood now. Next class I will do remaining exercise part questions. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.